Hello everyone, my name is Olectralab. Today I'm going to be showing you how to drill through the ground really fast. Just look at a block, look at a block that you want to, this is where you want to start the hole. Press T, go slash fill, and then put no, not just fill, and then a space, and then the coordinates of the block that you want to fill, and then the coordinates again, but go back to the coordinate here, and put a negative and change the last number to 4, so that this thing says 64, and then we type Minecraft colon TNT, and hit enter. Now we just grab our trusty flint and steel. We could use programming to just summon a redstone block if we wanted to do this from a safe distance, but who needs that? And this is how you basically build a very slow drill laser that drills down. It will stop if it hits water. If it hits water, you can actually use sand to force detonate the TNT. If we just put this on here and we just light these, the sand will cause the explosion to work underwater and it will do damage even though it is protected by water. We can go down, it'll drill past the water. We're drilling all the way through to bedrock. This should just drill a tunnel all the way to bedrock. It's a really useful tool if you're wanting to do a bunker or something. As you can see, it's made a hole in the bedrock because... Oh no, we fell out of the world. As you can see, it's made a hole in the bedrock. If you want to make a bigger blast, like say you need more room. You need more room to build your ship. Just come over to one corner of where you want to blow a hole. Do slash fill, and then just press space and tab over and over again. So there's a tab key on your keyboard. So we're going to press T, then we're going to hit the up arrow, and that's going to bring back the previous command. Then we're going to hit space, and then hit tab, then space, then tab, then space, then tab, then space. Now we're going to type Minecraft. You can just use tab to do this, but it types the acacia button, which is annoying. And then we put colon, and then we can put TNT, or we can put air. If we put TNT, it's going to fill this entire thing up with TNT. Oh dear, I forgot. This only does a single layer on the Y coordinate. So if you want to get the whole thing, you're going to have to change the coordinate in the second lot of coordinates in the middle to remove this negative. And then we hit enter again. Now we can drill up and in like this, and it should blow a hole through the surface through the bedrock. This is 36,870 blocks, which is a lot, in case you didn't know. If I just do this, it's going to get pretty laggy on the server right now. If you want to come investigate the hole that I blew, you can just log into the server. It's a public SMP where everyone gets operator privileges. I'll have to be on at the time to give you operator privileges, or someone else who's already been in the stream will be able to give you operator privileges. Just to hit them up in the comments section, and I'm sure they'll do it. If I'm not around and you leave a comment on one of my videos, probably one of the later ones, because that's where I see most of the comments, I can just log on and op you real quick, but it'll just have to be like a coincidental, like good timing thing if you want to be on here at the same time as me. My upload schedule is horrendous. But I just blew a hole all the way to bedrock here. As you can see, we're tunneling out Batman's evil lair. It should even go straight through water because we've fill replaced with TNT. And that's basically how you mine faster. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.